Hello students, welcome to Physics online class. In the previous two videos, we have learnt about motion and rest, and we have also learnt about physical quantities. In this video, we will learn about distance and displacement. In order to study the motion of bodies or objects, we should first know the meaning of these two terms, distance and displacement. In everyday language, the words distance and displacement are used in the same sense. But in physics, these two words have different meanings. Distance travelled by a body is the actual length of the path covered by it irrespective of the direction in which the body travels. Let's understand it with an example. Suppose a man starts his journey from point A and travels a distance of 5 kilometers to reach point B, and then travels another 2 kilometers to reach point C. The point from where journey starts is known as initial point, and the point where the journey ends is known as final point. Here A is the initial point, C is the final point. Thus, the man goes along the path A, B and C. The length of the path ABC gives us the actual distance travelled by the man, irrespective of the direction in which the man is moving. Therefore, the total distance travelled by the man will be 5 kilometers plus 2 kilometers, which is 7 kilometers. Now consider another example. Let's consider an object starts its journey from point A, travels a distance of 5 kilometers to reach point B. From here, the object reverses its direction and travels along the same path, moving the same distance 5 kilometers. So here, the total distance travelled will be 10 kilometers. 5 kilometers from A to B, another 5 kilometers from B to A, which is 10 kilometers. Now let's learn about displacement. Displacement of a body is the shortest or straight line path between its initial position and final position along with the direction. In the previous example, we have learnt that the total distance travelled by the body from point A to point C is 7 kilometers. Now displacement is the minimum length covered by the object between initial and final position. A is the initial position while C is the final position. The straight line path AC will give us the displacement, which is 6.57 kilometers. Displacement is the minimum length between initial and final position. In the second example, the object travels from point A to point B and returns back along the same path, traveling the same distance 5 kilometers. So here, the initial point and the final point both are same. Since the object has returned back to its initial position, therefore, the displacement of the object will be 0 kilometers. AB minus BA, which is 0. So, this is all about distance and displacement. See you in the next video. Thank you.